Right, hello, back in the garage again. It's still stupidly hot in the UK, but let's get to work. So we've got a big old hole in the sill here to patch up today, and then we can work our way towards getting this subframe mount panel sorted. So luckily I've got an inner sill repair panel that was originally on the Mini. It was just slapped over the top, so that's a bit from the front, I believe, that I'm now going to repurpose and weld it in at the back. So I ended up just cracking on and I didn't actually film anything, so sorry about that, but I'll show you what I've done if you just come down here with me. Right, so I had to repair this little bit here that sticks out. I'm not sure what that's called. But that welds onto the little closing panel, and then I welded a new bit of inner sill. I can't actually get to the top of those to clean up those welds, but oh well, leave that there. Not too bad along the edge. The metal was a bit thin, I probably should have cut out more, but hey ho. Yeah, we've got a solid bit of metal in there now, ready for the next stage. So yeah, cheers.